Hi, in today's video, me and my dog will be teaching you Pythagoras in less than 1 minute, hopefully, and then I'll do a few worked examples. That's why the video is longer than 1 minute, alright? But Pythagoras will be done in 1 minute, alright? Ready? Let's start the timer. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm sorry my whiteboard is covering my doggy. Bye-bye, Mienta. We'll see you in the next episode. We only use Pythagoras with right-angled triangles. We don't use Pythagoras with any other shape. We use it to find missing lengths. So I might know one length, I might know another length, and then if I don't know what the third length is, I use Pythagoras to solve it, alright? So it has nothing to do with angles or any of that. So the equation for Pythagoras is obviously a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You need to memorize that. What do I mean by A, B, C? Well, these are just the lengths, right? So the easiest way to remember which one's which is that C is always the longest one. So C will always be the length opposite to the right angle, the longest length. A and B will be the lengths, the other lengths. It doesn't really matter which way around they go, all right? So this could be A, this could be B, or this could be A and this could be B. It doesn't matter. As long as C is the longest length. So I know that A is 8. So a squared plus b squared, I know b is 2, so I put 2 squared is going to equal to c squared. So a squared, you can use the calculator for this, a squared becomes 64, 2 squared becomes 4, so I know that c squared will be the same as 64 plus 4, which is 68. So to find out what the length of c is, all I have to do is square root both of the sides, alright? So if I take my calculator and I square root 68, so c must be 8.25. And that's it. I hope that was less than a minute. I will let you see my dog again now. Here you go. This is your reward for listening to me. She's sleeping. She just ate. Hi, I'm back in a new top because it's the next day, alright? I didn't have time to record the examples, so I'll give you a few examples now. For this example, I'll make this 3 and I'll make this 4. And let's say that we're looking for this. So pause the video now and try to do it yourself. Alright, I'll reveal the answer now. Hopefully you've done it. So let's see if you got it right. So obviously the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So this will be my a, this will be my b, and this is obviously my c because it's the longest side. So that means that 3 squared plus 4 squared will give me x squared, whatever that is. So I know 3 times by 3 is 9. I know that 4 times by 4 is 16. So that means that this will give me 25. So you see 25 must equal to x squared. So 25 equals to x squared. Therefore x must be 5. Whoops, you can't see it. Okay, here we go. So x must be 5. Because we're just square rooting both of these to get rid of the squared and get x by itself. So this must be 5. Let me give you another example. So let's make this 17. Let's make this 15. And let's say that we're looking for this. All right. So I'll give you a few minutes to try and solve this. So pause the video. Go, try it. Let's see what you guys get. All right. So hopefully you got the right answer. So I'll solve it now. So I know that x is my b. I know 15 is my a. Remember, it doesn't matter. I could switch them around. As long as 17 is c, because it's the longest side, because it's opposite to the right angle, you see? Okay, so now I know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So that means that 15 squared plus b squared must equal to 17 squared. So what am I going to do is move the 15 to the other side. So then what I have left is b squared equals to 17 squared minus 15 squared. So now I'll just grab my calculator. I'll do 17 squared minus 15 squared is 64. So that means that b squared must equal to 64. That doesn't look like a 6. So now to get what b is by itself, I'll just need to square root both of them, right? Because that will get rid of the square. So square root of 64 is 8. Here we go. So x must be 8. Bada bing, bada boom. As easy as that. That's it. That's Pythagoras. Hopefully it makes more sense now to those that didn't understand it, or it served as a good revision for you in case you forgot it. So I'll be making more videos like that. So make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below what other topics you would like me to cover. cover, and I'll get that done for you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.